After you finish watching this video, I'm going to give you a reason why you should subscribe to this channel and why you should even share this channel to your friends. I'm going to show you another arbitrage opportunity. That is what I do on this channel. I show keys. Anytime I drop a video, it should bring you money. That is what I do. So we are going to dive into a new arbitrage opportunity that I have discovered, that I did research, I have tested it, and even through the testing, I lost some monies, but all because of you, I still found the successful one. So if you don't watch the video to the end, you will make mistakes. Okay, you have to watch to the end and pay attention to the details I'm going to give to you. It is only this channel that I show keys they don't show to people. For me, I'm not selfish. I feel like if I show you an arbitrage opportunity and you make money on it, even if it casts, we will still find another arbitrage opportunity because arbitrage has come to stay. It is not meant for only few people to chop. The world should be made simple for everybody. You understand? So grab your phone and let's dive into the arbitrage video. Let me issue this disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. It is for educational purposes. And any trade you plan to take, you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you do your own research very well. Let's dive into the arbitrage opportunities. I'm not going to disclose the softwares right now or the third-party apps that we are going to use right now. But alongside the video, I'll be sharing. That's why you have to pay attention. If you skip to the end, trust me, you may go and make mistakes. So listen very carefully. To do this arbitrage, you can do through Telegram, Bybit, Gateio, or mercuryo. Okay. But what I tried was the Bybit and the Telegram. And I even tried the Gateio. Okay. But what I found was the Telegram was the one which made lots of profits. Okay, this arbitrage opportunity is meant for people with Ghana bank accounts, specifically Visa cards. Okay, now, if you have a friend who is a Ghanaian who has a Visa card, you can share this video to the person to try. It is legal. All right, now let's move on. What you have to do is you open your Telegram account. What we are going to do on Telegram is that Telegram has a wallet. Telegram has a crypto wallet in case you don't know. So if you have not created your wallet on your Telegram app, then this is what you can do. When you go to Telegram, click on the search and search for wallet like this. Okay, it will pop up for you. If you've not created an account yet, then it means you need to create an account. And when you click on the wallet, it will send you to a bot, just like this, okay, which will give you the instructions for you to open a wallet. Okay, so when you see open a wallet, then you make sure that you follow the process. Follow it very carefully. Make sure that you verify with your ID card, that's your Ghana card or maybe a passport. Okay, register and verify so that you can increase your limit on the wallet. If you are asking me whether Telegram wallet is legal or not legal, trust me, if you say Telegram wallet is not legal, it means you shouldn't be using Telegram at all. Okay, so when you open the Telegram wallet, make sure you completely follow it keenly. After you are done, you can now move on to your wallet. So what we are going to do is we buy the USDT as usual. We are going to buy it low and sell higher on a different exchange app. That is all about arbitrage. Okay, in case you don't know, buying low and sell high. So right now we buy low on Telegram and sell high on Bybit or Binance or Gateio or any other crypto platform. All right. Now, when you come to Telegram, you click on the deposit. Deposit with a bank card. Okay. Deposit with a bank card. Yes. Now, you are going to choose which is the zero fees, the promo. You just choose that one, and then you enter the number of USDT you want to buy. Now, you buy the USDT. Okay, note, don't go and buy 10 USDT. Don't buy 12 USDT, because even if I enter 10 USDT, it's not working. If I enter 12 USDT, it might work, but don't buy 12 USDT. I'm saying that because the third party we are going to use says, after chatting them, they say that if you are trading less than 15 euros, it is going to, the payment is not going to go through. All right. So it means you have to trade anything more than 15 euros. Okay. You see, they've written you buy in, if it is in USD, change to Ghana cedis. You buy in Ghana cedis. So assuming we are going to buy 300 cedis. All right. 300 cedis. It means that we are going to get 26.67 USDT. All right. You just click on buy. It will direct you to a third party. Okay. And the third party, as we all know, is called Mercuryo. Mercuryo. In case you don't know Mercuryo, let me show you their app. Let me show you. This is Mercuryo. You understand? Mercuryo is over there. You can see that it has the black and white with that arms there. Yes. So that is Mercuryo. You can also download the Mercuryo app and create an account there, but it might not be even necessary. You understand? So it's this platform that you are using, that you are going to enter your bank card there. It is actually a third party of Mercuryo, which has a collaboration with Telegram. Mercuryo doesn't have affiliate with Telegram only. Even if you go to Bybit, then you try to buy USDT with Ghana bank card, Mercuryo will still be the third party. On Gateio, Mercuryo will still be the third party. Mercuryo is on many exchange apps, so it is legit. Okay. Some of my friends have been using Mercuryo for a very long time. So you can trust Mercuryo and still do your transaction. Okay. So now it means that Mercuryo is telling us that if we buy 300 cedis, we are going to get 26.67 USDT. All right. So you enter your MasterCard details. You know, I've already created an account on Mercuryo. That is why it sent me straight to enter my MasterCard details. But if it is your first time, it will ask you to enter your email, the name, the address. Make sure that that email is synchronizing with the Telegram email. If you don't know your Telegram email, when you go to Telegram, check your profile, or even the wallet there, check your profile. See that, make sure that that email will synchronize with this. If it doesn't synchronize, do you know what is going to happen? You make the payment and the money may be deducted, but the USDT will not be credited. Mercuryo will tell you that they will refund it. And for me, in my case, when I was doing the first time, I did not know. So Mercuryo took the money, but they told me that they will refund it. I was there in 1 hour and the money was refunded. So simple. Let's assume that you've already done that. All right. So when you enter your card details, Mercuryo will try to deliver the USDT. Hold on. After 5 minutes, when you see delivering order, just wait. Don't worry. Don't panic. Go back. Keep on refreshing your Telegram, and you can close the Telegram, go and come back. Okay. And when you come back, you see that it will be credited in your USDT account. So when you get your USDT on your Trust wallet, what do you do again? Now we are going to send USDT to a third party. For me, I have account on Binance. If you have account on Bybit, you can still do it. Okay. So you click on withdraw, you send through external wallet or exchange. Okay. So when you click on it, click on the USDT and you select the network. Note, this is where it gets interesting. The ton is having a fee of 1 USDT. The TRC20, 3.5, and these are all fees. So it means that if you are trading and your trading capital that you bought, your USDT is around $30 and you do this arbitrage. After sending, you are going to lose. You understand? That is why you have to do more. You understand? You can do 500 USDT, 300 USDT, or that. Okay? Or you can be buying little by little, and when it accumulates, then you send all together so that the 1 USDT will not affect your profits. You understand? So you send to Binance, and when you come to Binance, you sell. All right. So assuming that the first one that we did, we are going to get 26.68 USDT. When you get the 26.68 USDT, you come to Binance and then you sell the 26.68 USDT. As at the time I'm recording this video, the CD rate on the USDT Binance is 11.65. Okay, so the profit will be very small. The time I was doing this arbitrage, it was around 12 cedis. So even 11.9 could have given you money. But right now, you will still make profit, but it's very small. I don't even know. Let me check. 26.68. 26.68. So you see, you will receive 310 cedis, meaning you make 10 cedis profit. But the time that I was doing the arbitrage, which was the dollar was around 11.9, 26.68. Let's convert for you to see. 26.68 multiplied by 11.9. See, we were making around 17 cedis for every 300 cedis transaction. Imagine. You understand? Imagine this. So it means if you are doing 600 cedis, if you are doing, let's say, 900 cedis, it means you are going to get like 17 times 3, 51 cedis for every 900 cedis. Such a huge profit. It's almost like 4.5%. You understand? So it was very good. So you wait. Okay, right now you can still trade and make, if you are that kind of, if you can risk that amount for 10 cedis, 10 cedis, 10 cedis, 300 cedis for 10 cedis, for 300 cedis, no problem. You can still do it. But don't go and do 300 cedis because if you transfer, the $1 will affect you. So, but assuming you are doing more, then you get 50 cedis. That $1 will not affect you. $1 USDT fee will not affect you because if your profit is 50 cedis and the $1 is 11 cedis, you will still make a profit of 38 cedis. You understand? Yes. So you make sure that you trade from maybe 1,000 cedis upwards so that the fees will not affect you. Now, in case you've watched the video to this far, this is the tip I'm going to give to you, okay, so that you don't make mistake. With Ghana, when it comes to banks, you may ask, which kind of bank should I even use? Okay, every bank has its own rules. You understand? I have tried GT Bank, I've tried GCB, I've tried Zenith Bank, I've tried Echo Bank. So I know what I'm going to talk about. You understand? GT Bank, when you make a transaction with your Visa card, they deduct another fee. So if the exchange rate is around 11.5, they will deduct that and deduct you about 1% fee again. So it's still, that one affects your profit. You understand? So even if you are trading $1,000, you may not make good profit when you use the GT Bank card, but it will still go through and do the normal rounds. Now, the next one is GCB. GCB was the one I found as the best Visa card. You understand? I created a virtual card on GCB Bank app. So the GCB Bank app, I used the virtual card to purchase this one. The first time it goes through. Second time it doesn't go through. First time you trade. So assuming you are trading and you use 300 cedis from the virtual card, the first time it is going to go through. But when you try to do again, it will not go through. You understand? So me and my friends said, okay, it means if we want someone to do it using the virtual card, I'm talking about the GCB virtual card, then it means the person, if the person wants to buy it, just buy once. If you are buying, let's say $500 or 5,000 cedis, buy it once. Because the second time you come and use the virtual card, it will not go through. The money will be on the virtual card and you cannot withdraw the money from the GCB virtual card. You understand? But if you have a normal physical Visa card or MasterCard of GCB Bank, you can use it. Yeah, you can use it normally. I'm saying it again. This is not a financial advice. It is just for educational purposes. That is what I have discovered, and I'm telling you. So that is all. In case there's any more updates on this particular arbitrage, I'm going to bring to you. So in summary, you buy USDT from Telegram app and you sell on Binance or any other exchange app using a Visa card from Ghana that is in cedis, because they don't deduct the money in USD. They deduct the money in cedis. So you can try other bank cards and see. Like I said, Mercuryo has been there for a very long time. Not now. It's not like it's now that Mercuryo is coming. Yes, they respond also very quickly. You understand? You can also download the mercuryo app and then buy the USDT on the mercuryo app. But the rate they will give you, is good though, but it's very small. So if you are making 10 cedis on the Telegram app, you will make 5 cedis on the mercuryo app. You can also buy through Bybit. Let me show you that one too. When you come to Bybit, all right, where is the Bybit account? When you come to Bybit, click on deposit, click on buy with cedis, okay? And then enter the amount you want to buy. Like I said, don't buy less than 15 euros, all right? Then you click on third party. You see mercuryo there. You see the rate here. The rate that are giving you, if I even select, that is not what they are going to give you. Look at this. You sign up, do your KYC and those things. Mercuryo. The rate they will give you, you will even be shocked. See, 25.89, but the Telegram was 26.2 something or so. You understand? So it's better to do on the Telegram than to do on the Bybit. All right. Yes, you can also do on the Bybit if you think Telegram app or Telegram wallet is giving you problems and all that, but you make less profit than you do on the Telegram. All right. So that is why I said this video doesn't need to go viral. I've given you the key. Don't forget to subscribe. There's another arbitrage pending. Right after this video, the next video will be that arbitrage opportunity. So subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Okay. It's just a key I found and I'm sharing with you. See you next time.